I got a fish stick. Does anybody have any tartar sauce? I'm here today with Hank Pretz and Tom Pretz. We are doing some fishing, going for some snook, maybe some reds. See what's biting. Hank's out over that way. Tom's up over this way. Let's see what we can catch. I'm going to be using a little pearl swim bait, red jig head, 1/4 ounce, lightweight, 20-pound fluorocarbon, 15-pound braid. Hopefully that'll be enough. Maybe there's some monsters in here. All right, looks like Tom has one. We're gonna boogie over. See what he's got. First major catch of the day, well, second, other than Tom's red there. I have caught the mangroves. Joining back up with Tom and Hank, heading over to another spot. Got a fish on here. Oh, that's a fish in a stick. I caught a tree.
Fish and a stick.
I got a fish stick. Does anybody have any tartar sauce?
Wow, this is going to be interesting. How do we get out of this mess, huh? Yay.
So it weighed a lot more than what I thought it did because it was attached to a tree, apparently. They don't grow fish like this in Florida, right?
Not quite sure the species. Looked like a decent fish on the other side of
I
it.
think it's a little ladyfish.
Oh, ladyfish.
Just chilling out, whatever this is. All right. It's my first experience catching a fish and a tree at the same time. There we go, there's a ladyfish bath. Oh, it looks like a foul hook too. Mr. Ladyfish.
Yeah, careful with those.
Alright, Mr.
Always
Ladyfish.
say, everybody I know that ever got treble hooks in their hand, it was always from the ladyfish.
Alright, I got a small snook. Nope. Ladyfish. Oh, he did me a favor. There's a ladyfish. Luckily, he took himself off the hook for me this time. And he didn't come with a tree. Like Hank's got a snook on there. Alright guys, we just finished up fishing with Hank and Tom Pretz. Great guys. They were much more successful in catching fish than me. Tom had a nice red, and Hank caught a couple of snook. We had some ladyfish. I believe there's a trout involved as well. I caught 2 ladyfish and a tree, so next time that should be pretty good. Some dolphins out there. Day 2 with Tom and Hank. See what we can catch. Tom's got a snook over there. All right, so I've had a whole bunch of hits right over here. We're gonna see if we can get him this time. Came off. Let's see if we can get it again. Come on, fishy. Hits. Ah, nice. They're chasing it. They're hitting it. They're not getting the hook. Must be small little guys. All right. What do we got here? Either a trout or a ladyfish. Ladyfish. Yeah, he came off. Right at the boat is a ladyfish. All right, another fish on. Let's see what he is. Oh, let go. Pelican's right up in that tree. He's just chilling. A whole bunch of birds up in this little island. All right, time to switch. Oh, Hank's got one on. Nice fish. One for Hank. Hank's got another jack on. Boy, I'm the only person not catching fish today. Gotta change that. Tom is on.
Oh, it looks like a good fish.
All right, Tom just got himself a nice little red. So they're here. Let's try to get them. Look at that. As Hank just pointed out, over here you can barely tell where the water ends and the sky begins. Maybe that's the edge of the earth. We can't go any further that way. We'll fall off. Dolphin. All right, and that wraps up this episode of More Approved. 2 great fishing days with Hank Pretz and Tom Pretz. These guys are fishing machines. Make sure you check out their channel. And I believe he has some beginner fishing tips for kayakers, right?
Yeah, I have a video on YouTube on kayak fishing for beginners. It goes in great detail from the kayak to the PFD to fishing poles, reels. Basic thing is get whatever kayak you could afford and get out there and start fishing.
Indeed. So we're going to leave a link down below or up on the top, wherever they show up on the screens nowadays. We're going to put that there. Make sure you check that out if you're interested. And thanks again for 2 great days.
All right, thank you. All right, let's do it again.
Have a great day and good fishing.
All right.
You too.
Take care, guys.
Yep.
GoPro, stop recording. So I had a nice trout today. Pretty happy about that. I think I might do a catch and cook with it. We'll find out. But anyways, until next time, guys. See you then.